Most people live on autopilot. They follow routines they didn't choose and chase goals they never defined. But there's a small group, the top 1%, who do things differently. They think ahead. They act with purpose. And they get results most people only dream about. They aren't lucky. They aren't born special. They just follow principles that most ignore. If you learn these principles and start using them, your life can change. Here are 15 of those rules. Let's get into it. 1. Choose your own path. Every day, you're either living a life you designed or one that was designed for you. If you're not making clear choices, you're letting the world decide for you, and that rarely leads to your goals. Most people drift. They go wherever life takes them, and then wonder why they're unfulfilled. But the most successful people take control. They decide what kind of life they want to live, and they make it happen. They don't wait for permission, approval, or perfect timing. They act now. Choosing your path means being honest with yourself about what you really want, not what others expect from you, and then taking consistent steps in that direction. 2. Be clear about your goals. You can't hit a target you can't see. Vague goals like, I want to be successful, or, I want more money, won't get you anywhere. Success starts with clarity. What exactly do you want? How much money? By when? Doing what? The top 1% set specific, measurable goals. They write them down. They review them often. This clarity gives direction to every decision they make. When you're clear, you're not easily distracted. You can say no to what doesn't align and say yes to what moves you forward. If you want to make real progress, define your goals in detail. Then keep your eyes on them. 3. Say no more often. Every yes is a no to something else. Your time and energy are limited, and how you use them shapes your future. The top 1% are not just productive, they're selective. They don't fill their schedules with things that keep them busy but don't move them forward. They say no to people, habits, and tasks that don't align with their purpose. And they don't feel guilty about it. Saying no is a form of self-respect. It protects your focus and creates space for the things that matter. If you want to grow, you have to protect your time like it's your most valuable asset, because it is. 4. Rely on discipline, not motivation. Motivation is nice when it shows up, but it's not reliable. Some days, you'll feel inspired. Other days, you won't. That's normal. But the top 1% don't depend on motivation to get things done. They depend on discipline. Discipline means doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. It's setting a standard for yourself and sticking to it. The more you train yourself to follow through, the easier it becomes. Over time, discipline becomes your default mode. It turns hard days into productive ones, and ordinary actions into powerful habits. Success doesn't come from waiting to feel ready. It comes from showing up anyway. 5. Think long-term. Many people want quick wins. But lasting success takes time. The top 1% think in years, not just days. They understand that real growth isn't fast, it's steady. They plant seeds now that will bear fruit later. That means being okay with slow progress. That means resisting the urge to quit when results don't come right away. Long-term thinking gives you patience. It helps you focus on building something solid instead of chasing the next shortcut. Ask yourself, where will your choices today take you in 5 years? Think bigger. Play the long game. That's where the real rewards are. 6. Make fewer decisions, but make them count. Your brain only has so much decision-making power each day. The more small decisions you make, the more tired you become, and the less focus you have for the big ones. That's why the most successful people simplify their lives. They build routines, systems, and habits that take care of the small stuff automatically. This frees up their energy for what really matters, the choices that move the needle. So instead of making dozens of random decisions a day, make a few that truly count. Get rid of the clutter in your mind. Focus on what's essential, and your thinking will become clearer and sharper. 7. Build a supportive circle. You're not meant to do everything alone. The people you spend time with will either lift you up or pull you down. The top 1% know this, and they're intentional about who they surround themselves with. They look for people who inspire them, challenge them, and believe in their vision. A strong support system gives you encouragement, ideas, and accountability. On the other hand, toxic relationships drain your energy and slow your growth. So look at your circle. Are they helping you grow, or holding you back? Surround yourself with people who are also growing, learning, and reaching for more. 8. Always keep learning. No one has all the answers. No matter how much you've achieved, there's always more to learn. The most successful people stay curious. They read, listen, and ask questions. They seek feedback, even when it's uncomfortable. Why? Because they know growth comes from learning. And in a fast-changing world, the only way to stay ahead is to keep improving. If you want to stay sharp and move forward, make learning a daily habit. Whether it's a podcast, a book, a course, or a mentor, keep growing. Your mind is your greatest asset. Keep feeding it. 9. Take full responsibility. When things go wrong, it's easy to blame others. The job. The economy. The timing. But that mindset keeps you stuck. The top 1% don't waste time blaming. They take full responsibility for their actions, their choices, and their outcomes. If something isn't working, they ask themselves, what can I do differently? Owning your results gives you power. It means you're in control. No one's coming to save you. And that's not a bad thing. It's a chance to step up and lead your own life. Change begins the moment you stop pointing fingers and start looking in the mirror. 10. Take action without overthinking. It's smart to have a plan, but planning alone won't move you forward. A lot of people get stuck in analysis. They wait until everything is perfect. Until they're 100% sure. But progress doesn't come from thinking, it comes from doing. The top 1% make thoughtful decisions, but they don't let fear or doubt keep them frozen. Once they see a clear next step, they take it. Action creates momentum. It builds confidence. You don't need to know every step of the journey, just the next one. Move first, adjust along the way, and learn by doing. 11. Stick to a routine. Success isn't about big, flashy moves. It's about small, smart actions repeated every day. That's why the top performers stick to routines. They don't wake up wondering what to do next. They've already built systems that support their goals. A solid routine saves mental energy. It gives your day structure and makes it easier to stay consistent. You don't need a packed schedule. You need habits that matter. Morning routines, deep work time, planning blocks, all of these give your day purpose. And over time, your routine builds the life you want. 12. Focus on value, not just money. Money is important, but it's not the starting point. Value is. If you want to earn more, focus on helping others solve problems. The top 1% know that real success comes from service. They find ways to improve lives, offer solutions, and create things that matter. When people trust you and see the value you bring, the income follows. So instead of chasing money, ask, how can I help? How can I serve better? The more value you provide, the more doors will open, for relationships, opportunities, and long-term wealth. 13. Watch what you feed your mind. Your mind becomes what you feed it. If you constantly take in negativity, drama, or fear-based content, that's what you start to reflect. The top 1% are careful about what they let into their mental space. They read books that challenge them. They listen to voices that inspire. They choose learning over mindless scrolling. Just like you watch what you eat to stay healthy, you need to be intentional with your mental diet. Protect your focus. Fill your mind with information that strengthens your mindset and supports your goals. 14. Don't let fear stop you. Fear is normal. Everyone feels it. But what separates the top performers is what they do with it. They don't wait for fear to go away, they move through it. They take the risk, try the new thing, speak up when it's uncomfortable. And every time they do, they become stronger. Courage doesn't mean you're not afraid. It means you act anyway. If fear is keeping you stuck, remember this. The thing you're scared of might be the exact thing that changes your life. Push forward, even with shaky hands. You'll be proud you did. 15. Believe it's possible. Your mindset is your starting point. If you don't believe something is possible for you, you'll never take the steps to make it real. The top 1% didn't start with all the answers. But they started with belief. They believed they could learn. They believed they could grow. They believed they were capable of more. That belief fueled their action, and action led to results. Don't talk yourself out of your potential. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to believe it's possible, and take the first step. Your future starts with what you believe today. You don't need to be part of the 1% to start thinking like them. These principles are available to anyone who's ready to take control of their life. This is Profitability Plus. And this is your reminder. You don't have to settle. You just have to start.